Alright, here's Sophia. She's gonna pick up a cicada. Where is it?
Oh, it's right here.
Wait. Where is it? Wait, I don't have it. Oh,
Right there. My finger.
Ooh. Really? You are a brave girl. Oh! You are brave.
No.
Oh my God. Ew. How could you touch? Oh. How did you do that? That's gross.
No, yesterday when we were going to hockey, I didn't know, but there was a cicada on my pants in the car ride all the way to USA, and I didn't even know.
Ew. Ew.
Right.
All right, do it again. Come. Where is it? Wait, I can't see it. Where is it? There you go. Oh my God.
Wait, upside down. You don't want it upside down. That will bite you.
They don't bite, do they?
Well, they, I don't know. Now he's going down in the... Wait, I got him. Come there.
Go.
Grab a cicada.
Turn them over. Turn them over with your hand.
No. No. Give me a cicada. I need a stick.
I think you broke his wing. It's like a chia pet. I mean, not a chia pet. Don't do that. You're killing it.
I'm not.
Ew, this is dead friend. Right next to him. Ew, Sophia. All right, come on, let's go.
No. No.
Stop. All right, enough torture for the poor thing. Oh my God! I can't believe you just...